MarketPresso 3.0 is a digital product. Now, I'll share my honest opinion about this product. If you're interested to buy this product, then read my review to learn more about it. MarketPresso 3.0 is the world's first and only marketplace builder. Do you surprised? Let me clear everything. Karthik, Ramani and Saurabh Bhatnagar build this super software. You can get more clients, higher amount projects, builds authorities. Then finally, you can kill the hard competition. It's a simple, effortless setup. Freelancer, service provider, digital marketing agency owner can get the best benefit of this marketplace builder. Features: your marketplace will run on your own domain with your custom branding and will create your authority instantly whenever you share the link with anyone. This will help develop immediate trust amongst your clients and builds your status and authority as a business owner rather than being a simple freelancer selling on Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Customers will feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer, allowing you to charge more, keep more and generate maximum amount of profits as quickly as possible. Clearly, MarketPresso 3.0 will make you more money than anything else on the planet by letting you sell all the services that you have to offer. Easily create a marketplace for any services you have to offer: landing page funnel building, graphic designing, video marketing, video creation, content writing, online marketing, voiceover, copywriting, audio editing, concept building, web development, consultation, stock collection, translation, SEO, Facebook ads, ebooks, digital marketing services, gaming, chatbots. For literally everything, you can create your own personalized branded marketplace. Set your charges as per your work time per hour or minute or second. Number of words, duration of script, fixed price, flexible price, no. Of units, set your own variables. XX price per AI variable. Freelancing is the fastest growing industry on the planet, sitting at $1 trillion. It contributes almost 5% of the overall U.S. economy, more than the construction and transportation industry. It is being the only freelance marketplace builder on the planet will give you the exact powerful cutting edge over any other freelancer. Customers will feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer, allowing you to charge more, keep more and generate maximum amount of profits as possible. Key differentiation that puts MarketPresso 3.0 ahead of any freelancing site: sell with zero competition. Unlike Fiverr, Upwork, where there are thousands of sellers in every niche and many of them with better reviews, you will sell in your marketplace with zero competition. Get buyer's details. The famous freelancing websites never share the buyer details with you, hence always keeping you dependent on them for the orders. In other words, you are building their business, not your business. With your own marketplace, you will own the buyer's list. I am sure you must have heard that money is in the list. This simple scene will keep on bringing recurring orders for you. Get started with 0% fees, keep 100% profits. Fiverr, Upwork charges you 20% fees per sale. Over here you will get started at 0% fees. We will start charging you 1% fees per sale only after you have crossed orders worth $5,000 using our platform. MarketPresso 3.0 is exactly what you need right now during the current unfortunate circumstances because of COVID-19. Half of the world is in lockdown, and this is where it will serve you the most. It will help you make more money than ever before by providing you your own personalized platform and letting you sell all the services that you have to offer. You will be able to sell your services from the comfort of your home. It is a one-stop platform for selling all your services. You don't need anything else other than it to scale your business and revenue. It is exactly what you need right now. You would have realized the importance of being able to earn income from home, and it will help you achieve exactly that. It is the exact product that you need right now. 30 days fail-proof money-back guarantee. If your marketplace doesn't help you get more clients and service projects, simply reach out to us and take your money back, no questions asked. We want to make sure that it is going to be a super profitable investment for you, or else we won't take your money. You are getting full 30 days to test drive it, and if you are not overwhelmed with the results after using MarketPresso 3.0, we will give you immediate refund. Yes, even if you ask for it on the 30th day. We are about to overwhelm you with the results, and being just happy will not satisfy us either. If, anyhow, you feel the software is not worth hundreds of dollars to you, or it was 4 out of 5 stars instead of 6 out of 5 stars, then you have full 30 days to drop us a support ticket and get immediate refund. Our sole aim is to help you selling your services and make it an easygoing task for you, and you will see that inside the members area. Now go ahead and click on the button below to get started profiting from your own marketplace.